For this video, we're going to talk about actually customizing your character in 3D Max. So if you open up the files that I gave you, so let's look at here. You'll have a character source for Kira and Liam. If you open one of them up, you will have a 3D Max file in here. If you open that up, it's going to give you the full rigged file. I recommend using this over trying to import the FBX into 3D Max, since you'll have actual bone structure and it'll just look and function better. So definitely use that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to get rid of all the things that I don't want to re-export out back into Unity, because the default Kira and Liam come with like lots of pants and shirts and hairs and things like that. So I'm going to get rid of all these objects, and you could just straight up delete all the hairs. Oh god, and oh, now I broke it. Oh, maybe not. I guess I just moved the keyframe. I didn't realize there's keyframes on here. I'm going to just remove all of those things. I'm going to remove pants B, remove the tank top, the shorts, the skirt, and her feet. So we're just going to be, oh god, I guess I deleted too many things. I guess we're keeping the shirt. I thought I deleted the, oh, shirt. I thought that's a skirt. My bad. So that's the first bit you want to do, is just kind of clean up your character and make sure you're ready to start with what you have here. So as a quick overview, the way this works is all of these items have a skin modifier on them. So you'll see here, that's how they're applied to the bones themselves. The skin modifier is the one that kind of like skins them to the bone. So then when you move a bone, it'll actually kind of come along for the ride. So that's what we're going to be kind of redoing and editing. But just so you're kind of familiar with, that's what's happening there. Okay, that is part one.